Mount Etna is once again displaying its most ferocious side. This towering active volcano on the Italian island of Sicily is experiencing a surge in volcanic activity, spewing incandescent lava from its crater. Streams of molten rock can be seen moving down the slopes, while plumes of smoke and volcanic material billow high into the atmosphere, creating a scene that is both dramatic and terrifying. This eruption is not merely a beautiful natural spectacle. Beneath the mesmerizing red glow of the lava lies a genuine threat to anyone reckless enough to approach the mountain. Extreme temperatures, lava flows, hot rocks, volcanic gases, and wind-borne ash make the area surrounding Etna hazardous during periods of heightened volcanic activity. Tensions are rising as columns of smoke and volcanic ash soar into the air. The material ejected by the volcano can impair visibility and pose serious risks to aviation. Volcanic ash differs from ordinary smoke. These tiny particles can be carried long distances by the wind and endanger aircraft engines. Due to the intensified volcanic activity, Italian authorities have closed Catania Airport. This decision serves as a reminder that the impact of Etna's eruption extends far beyond the mountain slopes. Volcanic activity can disrupt the lives of local residents, tourism, and air travel throughout the region. For residents and officials in the affected area, the sight of Mount Etna spewing lava is far more than just a spectacle. Any change in sound, vibration, smoke plumes, or the flow direction of volcanic material could signal a shift in the mountain's condition. Yet, amidst this dangerous situation, some tourists still choose to approach the mountain to witness the eruption firsthand. They arrive with cameras and mobile phones, hoping to capture spectacular images of the glowing lava against the darkness. It is, indeed, a sight hard to miss. Red-orange lava flowing down dark slopes creates a panorama reminiscent of an inferno. From a distance, the ejected volcanic material resembles giant fireworks launched by nature itself. Yet, this beauty conceals dangers not always visible to the naked eye. Local guides and authorities have issued warnings regarding the risks of approaching the volcanic zone. However, curiosity and the desire for a rare experience sometimes drive visitors to disregard safety boundaries. This is the perilous side of volcano tourism. Seemingly calm conditions can shift rapidly. Paths that were once safe can become hazardous. As activity intensifies, lava flows may carve new routes. Hot rocks can be hurled from the crater, and ash clouds can drastically reduce visibility. Mount Etna is no ordinary volcano. Standing approximately 3,300 meters tall, with a history of recurring eruptions, it is Europe's highest active volcano. It is precisely this renowned activity that makes Etna a magnet for tourists from across the globe. Many come to witness firsthand the awesome power of this living natural phenomenon. They seek to see lava flows, billowing smoke, and thunderous eruptions up close, an experience likely to remain etched in their memories forever. Yet, recent eruptions serve as a reminder that Mount Etna is more than just a tourist attraction. It is an active volcanic system whose behavior cannot be predicted based solely on its surface appearance. As night falls, the red glow of the lava makes the mountain slopes appear as if they are ablaze. Thick smoke forms giant silhouettes against the sky, while the sounds of volcanic activity heighten the tense atmosphere. For those watching from a safe distance, the scene might resemble a sequence from a disaster movie. However, for those reckless enough to venture too close, the situation can quickly escalate into a genuine threat. The closure of Catania Airport further highlights the far-reaching impact of Etna's activity. Flight disruptions can affect travelers looking to leave or enter Sicily, while shifting winds make the spread of ash difficult to predict. The volcano serves as a reminder that beneath the beauty of the Sicilian landscape lies a force of nature far beyond human control.